Hello dear students, welcome to EduHunt video lecture series. This is Lata Krishna dealing with biology. We have already discussed about the introductory part of environment. What is environment? We all know that our surroundings, including human beings, surroundings make environment. Environment is nothing but neighborhood. We have discussed the components of environment, that is biotic component as well as the abiotic components. The abiotic components constitute the atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. And the biotic component consists of animals, plants, even the microorganisms in human beings. All these organisms, all living organisms constitute the biotic environment. And we have already seen various domains of Earth. Earth is divided into four major domains. It consists of four major components. Basically, though they are biotic and abiotic, and even the abiotic is also again separated into different realms like lithosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. We have already seen the interrelationship between lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. All these components of the earth, all the components of the environment are interrelated. The relations are interconnected. It is a network-like thing. Based on the introductory part, we answer these multiple choice questions. Let us start first question, that is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere is. We have seen the atmosphere, though it is consists of various layers, various gases. It has different layers like troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, and even in that there are mesosphere, exosphere. And the uppermost layer of the atmosphere is no doubt it is the exosphere. Uppermost layer is the exosphere. Which of the following gases constitutes the major portion of the atmosphere? It is nitrogen, as we have discussed earlier. That is, atmosphere consists of various gases. Atmosphere is in the form of gaseous form and it possesses nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and even water vapor. Like that, there are gases in the atmosphere, and the major component of these gases, major constituent is nitrogen. Nitrogen, it accounts more than 70% of the atmospheric gases. Which of the following gases absorbs UV light? That is ozone layer. Ozone layer that is present in the stratosphere. It protects us from harmful UV rays. If the UV rays reach the earth, the surface of the earth, the rays cause deleterious effects to plants as well as animals, human beings and all living organisms. It may cause damage to even DNA, that is genes present in the living organisms, cause damage to genetic material. Sometimes it is highly dangerous, they cause skin cancers like that. That is why the ozone layer, it will not allow UV rays to reach the earth. Which of the following gases absorbs UV light? Is UV rays is, this is ozone, not ozone, it is ozone, it is O. So correct answer is ozone, C. Which zone separates the troposphere from the stratosphere? There is a pause called tropopause. Which zone separates the troposphere from the stratosphere? That is tropopause. The increase in the volume of carbon dioxide for the past few decades is mainly due to, burning of fossil fuels like petrol, gasoline, like that. What envelops the earth all round? That is the atmosphere. Atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere. Among these, envelope for the earth is atmosphere. Which of the following is not among Which of the following is not among the major domains of the earth? What are the major domains? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Let's see what is there extra. Lithosphere, stratosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Yes, stratosphere is not the domain of the earth. The domain of the earth consisting of solid rocks is lithosphere. C is the correct option. The water mass of the earth, including oceans, seas, rivers, etc., in the atmosphere, that is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the water mass of the earth. The uppermost solid layer of the earth is called lithosphere. Solid rocky part of the earth is the lithosphere. The interaction of which one of the following sphere do not make up the biosphere? That is atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere. Asthenosphere is the answer. Okay, dear students, with this we have finished doing student illustration part 1. I hope it is an easy task for you because you have understood the concept well. If you understand the concept clearly, it will become easy for you to answer even a tough and an indirect question. First of all, what we should do is listen carefully, concentrate on the concept, and day by day improve your listening as well as reading skills. That makes you perfect. Practice makes man perfect. That is, I always follow that and I always believe in that. Hard work is very, very important. At this time, if you do well, if you do hard work, it will definitely fetch you. I'm sure your future will be bright. I hope you all understand and follow me. Thank you.